Hello, everyone. Sometimes you may create a page using the wrong page type in EComposer. For example, creating a home page as a landing page by mistake. Instead of rebuilding everything from scratch, you can easily convert it. We will guide you on how to do that in this video.
First, open the landing page you created by mistake. Go to Settings and choose Save to Library to save your current page.
If you're on the free plan, you can only publish one page, so make sure to unpublish the current page by setting Page Visibility to Hidden.
Next, create a new blank homepage. In the Page Navigator, select Homepage and click Create New Template. Now insert your saved template. Open Explore Library, My Templates, then insert the template you just saved to your new homepage. When everything looks good, click Publish and enable both Publish and Overwrite Shopify Default Homepage. This will set your new page as the official homepage.
And that's how you convert a landing page into a home page.
Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to EComposer for more helpful tips, tutorials, and product updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next EComposer Guide.